guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Gwenzegile if you don't know me, and for those who know me, welcome back my love. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. I hope you do enjoy this video, and please subscribe, like and comment.
I don't want your number now. I don't wanna give you mine and no. I don't wanna meet you now. None of your time. Taking out the passenger side. Hi guys. Trying to holler at me. No, I don't want your number now. I don't wanna give you mine and no. I don't wanna meet you nowhere now. Don't want none of your time.
1 hour later.
You can turn. Yo. Ngapha. Siyabonga Gawu for support. Siyabonga. Hi guys, so today is it's Thursday. Yeah, it's my dad's birthday. Happy birthday, daddy. Hey, man, that sounds wrong. Happy birthday to my father. So today is Thursday, a few days later, and I want to show you the parcels I got from Pixie, from Shane. Yeah, no, I'm not going to show you the Shane one because I'll do a whole ngayo on another video I'll be posting, and then also take a lot. So let me show you what I got. I received it today. Take a lot. These are actually my shorts. For the video. Yeah, tell the truth or take a short, but obviously the video will come up before this vlog. So yeah, let's open it. Okay guys, this is what I've ordered. I'm short on my bags for the video of tell the truth or take a shot. There are actually 15 of them. I got this in a takealot around 150. Yeah, so these are the shorts. So yeah, this is what I wanted to show you, and then and today I'm going to create a video of it. That's why I couldn't wait. Okay guys, this is all I wanted to show you. When the other batch comes, because Kushane I ordered just only one item. Let me show you. I ordered only one item because it was running out, and I think a lot of you know this. Every girl wants this two-piece layer. I'll put a picture here. I've always wanted this, so I ordered it first. And then I used points wami shade, of which made up to 150. And then I said, why not? I'll use this point for the deliver, but I want this no matter what. So yeah, this is all it, and then I'm going to see you on the next video. And then yeah, stay tuned.
2,000 years later.
28.
Hayi nami ngiyakhona.
Uyakhona?
Ngiyakupha 28 kunani sempela amabheki.
Phase 5 ngiyamkhapha.
Phase 5. I mean after that ngiyale clubhouse.
Awuna gesi bakho.
Ayikho strong.
And the uniform yekhwaya ayifuni into wabo.
Yokunini.
Scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Taking out the passenger side of his best friend's ride. Trying.
Okay guys, I just hello guys. Hi. I just dropped off my mom manje. Yeah. So manje ngihambisa izinto zakasiphesihle. Phasela like lamabheki wakhe la pink ngwenze ushane home.
I don't want your number now. I don't wanna give you mine and no. I don't wanna meet you nowhere now. Don't want none of your time. I don't want no scrub. A scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Taking out the passenger side of his best friend's ride. Trying to holler at me.
Okay, now I am going to pour petrol and then head home and then bath and then around 12 to 1:30 I should be fetching my niece. We are going to Total Ninja, and I'm taking her out. I am taking my niece out. She has been promising to take her out, so yeah, let's go.
No, I don't want your number now. I don't wanna give you mine, and no, I don't wanna meet you nowhere now. Don't want none of your time. I don't want no scrub. A scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me.
Please, I don't want to lahleka. Ngize ngathenga nedatha lakhona special. Angaze ngeGreenstone. Ngiyacala ukuya.
Ayikho la ujika uyo offer the only offer ozoyithola yo le yase Greenstone. But noma nje uhamba just straight nje es.
Ngizodinga iGPRS.
Indlela.
So no, I don't want your number now. I don't wanna give you mine, and no, I don't wanna meet you nowhere now. Don't want none of your time. I don't want no scrub. A scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. I'm hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride. Holler at me. No, I don't want.
Pick up your mirrors. Nisizawa Uyala. Okay guys, quick update. Total Ninja is fully booked, so we're just going to do plan B here, a Carnival, a mall of Carnival, we jump, and then after that we're going to a Carnival city to just grab some food. So yeah, bye.
Okay, now we jump back to it. Your time's up. That wasn't now with the ready runners. Ready runners, now your time's up. Don't get yourself as you know.
Simaya phansi. Ile asikhanselela lento le angazwayo. Ngathi sizabiseka makababa. Ma. ngena.
Must it here? Yeah, it's a right.
Guys, umntana sekhayolambile. Ubona labantwana badlala ngibheka ngisho. Badla lapha yabona. Bayadla manje ulambile uthi ayinawe wayehlele lapha kwami. Nawanza ukuthengela ukudla. Guys, la line it's very long. So we told labantwana sibalandelayo ukuthi siyabuya side toilet kanti we just came here to sit. And then we'll go there a bit later.